Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to disable the site title on WordPress blocksy. Alright, so we have our starter site here, and we have our site title and our site tagline. We also have our icon here. Now, let's click on Customize, and I'll show you why you might want to disable your site title. Alright, so we're in the WordPress Customizer. Let's wait for this to load up. Okay, we're here. In our customizer, let's click on header and let's click on logo. And well, first things first, I'll give you the reason why you might want to do that. Let's change our logo to something like this. Okay, it's pretty big. Let's make it a bit bigger, right? And you can see our logo here already has our site name in it, right? So let's go ahead and scroll down here, and it says site title. We can disable this on desktop only. Okay, and then we can have our tagline here, or just disable it completely from our website. Okay, then we can make this right, left, bottom, top. Top's probably better, and we can align the tagline a bit better. Okay, let's click on Publish. And take a look at our site one last time. Let's reload the page. And you can see we have disabled the site title on WordPress blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.